guys, this is Maria with Mountain Adventures Canine Academy, and today I'm here with Dallas. Dallas is a 2-year-old German Shepherd that's here for training. He needs a good confidence boost. He has a lot of anxiety. Some of it is separation anxiety as well. And he also needs to be worked around loud noises. He has sometimes redirected whenever there's been a loud noise, even on his dad. So we're going to help build that confidence, work him through those loud noises, and hopefully help lessen that anxiety a little bit and help him not be so fearful of everything. So we're going to see what Dallas knows already. Dallas, come. Come. Good. Sit. Good boy. Alright. So as you see, Dallas does, his recall is okay. And he does know how to sit, but there's no stability there. So we're going to see about place. Dallas, place. 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 Alright, he doesn't know place. Dallas, down. Down. Lay down. Down. Alright, so it looks like he might have an idea of what down is, but he's not sure about me telling him to down. He's not quite there trust level wise yet. So also let's see how Dallas heals. So you see how heel's going? Heel. 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 Lots of dogs out today. Good heel. Alright, so as you see, Dallas he does pull some, but he does want to stick with you, so it just depends. He also gets really weirded out by any little noise he hears around him. So once again, building that confidence and helping Dallas become the best boy, right? Yes. Alright, let's get started. Come on, Dallas.
you.